Hey y'all, does anyone recognize the area? Yeah, I'm gonna make a quick stop here at the Disneyland of car washes, I'll just say that. I'm getting my windshield replaced, so they're open today, and it's better to wash your car before because you can't really wash it after. Out. Wonder if I'll end up surprising anybody. Yeah, I'm gonna try out their $5 wash today. Somebody's coming, by the way.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, doing all right.
Have you been with us before?
Yes, I have. It's been a while though.
Welcome back. What kind of wash are you looking for?
Just the $5 basic wash.
All right. Would you like to join our wash club?
No, thank you.
All right. Did you want to add anything to that?
Nope, I'm all right.
All right, card.
Yep.
There we go. Put that for you. Would you like a text receipt?
No, thank you.
All right, there you go. You have a great rest of your day.
All right, thank you very much. Didn't recognize that person. She seems new. I don't recognize that person either. Don't expect my windshield crack to grow, at least if anything, but I'm getting it fixed in half an hour, so no big deal, really. But yeah, I haven't had the car washed in like 2 months. But yeah, the windshield will need time to cure after it's replaced, so. And yes, I did take off the dash cam because I kind of needed to. For a $5 wash, this is still pretty solid. No matter what wash package you get here, they're all good. Alright, don't really have much time to, you know, chill over here, but gotta get going. It's always nice stopping by, but guess without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and we'll see. Maybe I can get back to this place one more time before I graduate. See y'all.